Hello everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with a new kit to share with you. This is our Fruit and Flora folded album kit. The finished album measures 8 1/4 by 7 by 2 inches deep on the deepest side and has been altered, as you can see, in the Fruit and Flora papers from Graphic 45. So in the kit you get everything you need to make the album. You just need to add your tools to cut your papers, punch out some circles, round some corners, and follow the instructions with videos to assemble everything that you have into this gorgeous little album. So let me take you through. These papers were just divine to craft with, and again, as always, it was really hard to decide how to work them together. But I was drawn to the purples, so I've gone with the purple papers on the front and then the fruity paper on the side and the spines. The kit comes with one each of the large and small ephemera cards as well, so I've used those on the front and the back to complement that purple paper, and then you'll see them added through the album. So if we undo the elastic, the album folds out and reveals lots and lots of detail on the inside. So on the inside cover, we've got a lovely deep pocket to pop your pictures, photos in. I've got one large ephemera card there. I've used the plaid papers, so that was actually left over when I'd finished designing. So that one fitted in that pocket perfectly. And then I've come up with a slightly different photo mat. These have got acetate fronts on, so you can slide your pictures underneath rather than sticking them into the album. Let's find an ephemera card and I can show you. And the static from the acetate just holds the photos in place. And then I've left them blank on the back, but there were 8 sheets, one of each design, left over from the 8x8 pad at the end of the album, so any black surfaces could be covered with papers of your choice. So there's 2 little photo mats. They've got a little border strip at the top holding the acetate in place, and then a lovely decorative paper under the acetate to showcase the photos that you add in. So there's 2 of those in that large pocket, and then there is an acetate pocket here, and it's clear front and back so that you can see your photos as you add them in. And again, I've put an ephemera card in there, but I think it goes in this side. You can add in a whole montage of pictures and still be able to see them on the front and the back. And then under there, there's a nice area to stick something else as well. And that flap comes down and closes with a magnet. And then we have got a really lovely half page with photo mats in it. And again, I've left the backs of those black, but there is enough paper left in the paper pack to be able to cover those. Nice surface here to stick things onto, a little tag in the pocket on the front, and again you could add green card and create a journaling spot just to detail about the pictures that you've put into the page. This side is a mirror image of that side. I like doing that, as you know, and creating a symmetry to my albums. So there's 2 more photo mats that slide into that pocket page, and another little tag here that pulls out. And then when the whole thing is closed, you can see how beautifully the papers go together. So those open, and then inside we have got 2 fabulous pocket pages. On the left of this, on the right rather of this one, there's pockets for photos, ephemera cards, whatever you want to add. I've just put the little ephemera cards in there, and then there are 2 little pockets on the left of the page, and I've created little pocket envelopes with a tag in, and they're decorated on the back as well. So, and again, you could create a journaling spot with the tag, and they just slide under there. like that. Did I show you the back of that one? I love the apples. And then that one opens and we've got a nice folded, double-sided acetate pocket again, so that you can see your photos from both sides. I've used the ephemera card as the placeholder, and it's got a magnetic closure as well, so you could use that as a pocket if you wanted to. And then on this side we've got two more little envelopes with tags in. I love these ephemera cards, they're just so pretty. This really was the most gorgeous collection to craft with. And that one. And then again, they're decorated on the back. And just slot in those pockets. And then two more ephemera cards slide into those little pockets as well. Beautiful. I love the lemons. And then that opens and we've got another acetate double-sided pocket, and then room to add your photos underneath as well. And that closes with a magnet. And then in the centre we've got a landscape acetate pocket, again double-sided, nice space for photos or ephemera cards, and then a deep pocket at the back. So I had that ephemera card left over, which I thought fitted beautifully. It really pulls in the oranges, the greens and the purples. And then two more acetate fronted photo mats as well, with those gorgeous borders at the top. And again, I love those black on the back, but you could create patterned decorative backs for them from the paper pad. And then we've got that gorgeous green script setting off everything in the centre. So that's our Fruit and Flora folded album, available as a kit and also as a PDF. In these times of real difficulty, if you prefer to cut your own covers from chipboard rather than have the laser cut MDF covers that come in the kit, then the PDF does include full cutting guide for your covers as well as everything inside the album. You could also use your own papers and just substitute the measurements for papers of your choice. Really easy to follow and do that. So I'll put the link to the kit and the PDF in the description below the video, and to other related products as well. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be kept up to date with new products and projects as they come out. Bye for now.